Being confined to an electric wheelchair isn't holding this man back from taking to the skies. Former surfer James Bedding fell from a seawall and suffered a spinal cord injury when he was only 15. Now, as the first quadriplegic drone pilot, he can fly to see things from the air. Bedding uses a stylus he controls with his mouth, allowing him to push the joysticks, so he can see previously inaccessible places he never thought he'd get to experience. He says he can feel the excitement of the ocean again at his home on the Channel Island of Jersey. In addition to improving his quality of life, he turned it into a business by selling the pictures he takes under the name Quad Photography. But to do so, he had to get a commercial drone license. Bedding says he's the first quadriplegic with one and would like to travel to other places to experience them with his drone.